Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to save variant and layout in SAP, and there is their definition for your more understanding. SAP variant: whenever you execute any SAP T-code before any result, if selection screen appears in which you need to set a criteria, that criteria can be saved for future use is called variant. In other words, variant is saved set of values in selection screen. For detail, these two links can be viewed, and you will find this in description of the video. Further, SAP layout is layout means something arranged or laid out. So in SAP, table, database and reports can be arranged as per requirement and saved for your future use. For further detail, you can click this link and you will learn more about layout and variant. Now we'll go to the SAP and we'll create one variant. Now there are some T-codes. When we execute that T-code, we'll see the selection screen before any result. Like let's suppose if we go to the work order IW38, if we double click execute this T-code, you will see selection of work order. So here you will put selection criteria. Similarly, IW39, if you click this one, you have again selection of work orders or orders, and IW38 notification. If you go here, there is a selection, and there is also go and variant, and you will find variant save and get this command also with the selection screen. And if you go into material management, you will also find, let's suppose this one ME5A, this T-code, you will find selection criteria, and you will also find variant and get variant. Now how to create this and save this variant? We'll go suppose to, let's suppose work order IW38 for example, and I will make a selection here, and then selection I will save for future use. Let's suppose I need to see under in process or and outstanding work orders, and I will put date planning plant, let's suppose QIPP here, and similarly I will go to the created, let's suppose I will put date from here up to today 08/12/2019, and I will go further. Planning plant, I will planning plant QIPP, this is our planning plant, and you will go, the default layout always come /SAP, but this layout will can create for our own. So I think if I will make some more criteria, let's suppose main work center mechanical, I can make it, but I just make this criteria and nothing else. Okay, this criteria, and I will make save. Press the save button, and I give the name this QIPP, let's suppose 002. Okay, and I will give description QIPP open work orders. Okay, there is some other selection I will later I will describe you and tell you what is the use of this one, and I will make save. I will press save. You will see variant QIPP2 saved. Now I will execute this and you find this is the layout. Let's suppose I want to put notification here and work order here. Basic date I will put on the first, created on also the first. Then I will bring here I am actually setting a layout. So in my report, this is my report. In this layout I will bring this here, and also there is a description of the work order. I will keep it here with the work order system, and there's a user status with the system status, and then basic date, basic finish date with this one. Okay, priority, there is the priority. I have been putting priority. There must be a priority. This is the priority. It is not a text, it's a number. So I will go here and I will select the priority by text, this one. Okay, and then this one, press the execute button. You will see the priority for text is coming. So likewise this one, I will select these two columns and make descending. So urgent will come up, then date, also the date, creation date. If I will make, select suppose created date here, and then select this one and make ascending. So you will find the oldest date come up and then the new will go down. So it is better you will sort as a descending, better. Then you will know that the future and then go down. Likewise you can arrange your layout. When your layout is arranged, you can save it here and give the name. Let's suppose QIPP, layout name QIPP 01. Okay, QIPP 01, and I will put it name here QIPP 01 and save it. The standard layout must start with a specific character. Okay, so we have to give specific this. Save it. Now it is saved. This is my layout, so it is already saved. So execute. You will now what you'll do, you have created the save, but it is this layout. You have created the layout, but it is not saved with your variant. So go here, change this one layout, that is, let's suppose QIPP. Have the QIPP, this one QIPP, sorry, QIPP 1, this one we have created just now. So then I will save the variant at this one. This layout will be saved with my variant. Save the variant with the same name and save it. Save it. So now your variant and layout both are saved. Now next time when you go and open this T-Code, no need to put your criteria. Directly go to the variant, get variant, and select that whatever you have created, this one or this one, I think open work order, this one 002. See, all QIPP, the dates, everything, and even your layout immediately come. Just execute and you will find your report. I hope this tutorial will help you. Once again, thanks for watching this tutorial. If you like it, please press subscribe button and bell icon to watch my future videos. Thank you.